With the new Futa, Ducati enters the e-road segment. Pedal-assisted road bikes. A name that is part of Ducati's DNA, in honor of the curves of the pass of the same name between Emilia-Romagna and Tuscany, known and loved by all Ducatisti. A lightweight e-road that embodies the pure Ducati spirit by focusing on design, innovation and fun in a perfect combination of comfort and performance. A latest generation product developed to cover greater distances and gradients beyond your expectations. The new Futa will also be available in a limited edition. An exclusive version, only 50 numbered examples, for those looking for an e-road with even more sophisticated standard equipment that makes the bike even lighter. The carbon fiber monocoque frame has a sport endurance geometry, but with technical choices oriented towards aerodynamics and speed. The compact rear stay, with lowered sheaths, makes the bike comfortable, while generating less aerodynamic drag. The rear triangle is rigid laterally, precisely by virtue of the choice of the position of the sheaths, and favors a better transmission of power to the wheel, as well as increasing the responsiveness of the bike. Down tube, seat post and fork sliders are expertly profiled, and their reliefs are highlighted by the play of colors of the livery, which sees gray and black as the main colors with accents in Ducati red.